I'm here to clear certain misconception regarding water work. When I talk about water work, I mean rituals done in the water or in the presence of water. Whether you call it water appeasement, whether you call it Ọrụ Mmiri, whether you call it appeasement of Ndut, whichever term you use to describe it, water work, Ọrụ Mmiri. Now, most times people ask the question, is it everybody that needs to do water appeasement? Is it everybody? You see those venturing into Ọdịnanị, and maybe they go to the Biafra, and the Afa recommend water appeasement to them. And sometimes you see people, they begin to argue that they are not from water, they are not water child, their birth day or zodiac sign or whatever does not correspond with water. Some people will be like, Dibia, do Afa for me, let me know if I am from water. They just want to confirm if they need to do water work. Now, I am here to tell you what my spirit is telling me with respect to this Ọrụ Mmiri. You know, in matters of spirituality, the height, the growth, as you grow, so your knowledge widens. Water work, in my own understanding, presently, is actually for everybody, especially every Igbo person. Every Igbo person. There is a need for you to undergo water rituals at least once. And these are my reasons for that. You should understand that water is a gateway or a passageway to spiritual kingdoms. Yes. Water is a passageway to kingdoms, spiritual kingdoms. In the physical world of existence, you find out that some countries or villages or communities or whatever are demarcated from the other by water. But that one aside, what I am trying to say is that water is a passageway. That is, you want to enter from kingdom A to kingdom B. In the spiritual kingdoms, there is a need for you to pass through water ritual or water initiation. Although I have not been into many spiritual kingdoms, apart from Catholicism, which is Christianity, and then Ọdịnanị Igbo. In the Christian domain, Why did they make it that before you can become a confirmed Christian, you have to pass through water baptism? One, let me tell you, the water baptism you did in the church was actually a passage of you from the kingdom where you were born or where you are to another kingdom. Every Igbo person that have ever gone through Christianity actually need Ọrụ Mmiri, actually need water appeasement in Ọdịnanị. Why? The baptism you did in church took you out of your ancestral kingdom, your ancestral spiritual kingdom, domain, into the Christian kingdom, into the European kingdom, whatever they formulated, whatever kingdom they formulated, and they called it Christianity. You, an African child that have ever undergone Christian baptism, it was a symbolic moving of you out of your ancestral kingdom. Your ancestry is already a spiritual kingdom on its own. Now, water baptism transports you from your ancestral kingdom to the Christianity kingdom and whatever it represents for them. Now, you now eventually discover that that kingdom is not actually where you are supposed to be, that there's a need for you to return to your ancestral kingdom. One, you need to also pass through water initiation to return to your ancestral kingdom. In other words, Ọrụ Mmiri na-alụ is not about let me appease in dote. It's not about let me appease my nwanyị mmiri or di mmiri. It is actually to return you from that kingdom. Let me tell you, ọ bụrụ na ị ga go through Christianity, you will mecha wee bata ọdịnala, ma ga arụbọghị Ọrụ Mmiri, you are not yet fully an ordinary person. Yes. Na eze nwa tokam. If you have ever been baptized in the Christendom, and later on you now come back to Ọdịnanị, and you have never done water ritual, water appeasement, whatever you call yourself, no matter the rank, you are not yet an ordinary person. You are not yet officially returned to your ancestral kingdom. For you to return to your ancestral kingdom, you necessarily need to pass through water. You left your ancestral kingdom to another kingdom through water. That is that baptism. For you to return from that kingdom, and you want to return back to your ancestral kingdom, you need to pass through water initiation. Water is a symbol of initiation. Water is a gateway of passage between kingdoms. You want to navigate between kingdoms, water. So Ọrụ Mmiri na-alụ is not just for let me appease in dote, let me appease the mmiri. It is a necessary ritual for you to do, for you to denounce the former kingdom. Now, let me tell you, as a Christian baptized, at that baptism, you rejected your ancestral kingdom. Yes. You rejected your ancestral kingdom, knowingly or unknowingly. But that is what it symbolically represents. Through your baptism in church, you rejected, renounced your ancestral kingdom. So for you now to return back to that your ancestry, there is a need for you to also pass through water and renounce and reject the other kingdom you are coming from. That is one reason you need Ọrụ Mmiri. You need water appeasement. In fact, this one reason is enough. And let me tell you, if you have ever been a Christian before, and you are now in Ọdịnanị, your chi, let me shock you, your chi will never arrive at full functionality and freedom if you do not pass through water ritual. If you were once a Christian, you were pataketa, were bata na Ọdịnanị, and you have never done Ọrụ Mmiri, your chi will not yet be at its complete total freedom and the power if you have not passed through that water initiation to return to your ancestors. Your chi will never come to its full functionality. Ugboro 1 million times. You will find out that even if you do any ritual for your chi and see result, the result you will be seeing will just be like tiny, small, compared to what you should be seeing. Your chi will not yet be at its full functionality. Because of what? Your chi is still loyal under another kingdom. And in that other kingdom, your chi is a stranger there. Where your chi is not a stranger is in your ancestral kingdom. That is where your chi is not a stranger. Why do you think one's chi is always tied to their own Onyowa? Like Igbo will tell you that Onyowa mmadu bụ chi ya. Onye bụ Onyowa ahụ. Onyowa is the ancestor you were before you came into this new body. The ancestor you were. Remember, we are talking about returning to your ancestral kingdom. It is actually your Onyowa that grants you that membership in your ancestry. Your previous past Onyowa. Onyowa is simply you that existed before. You existed before, you lived, and then you went to pull off your clothes, and then you now return in this clothes you are wearing now. So that past is your Onyowa. So how can you tell me that you can be in communion with your ancestry when you have not formally and officially reject the former kingdom? For you to reject that for that other kingdom, you have to pass through water. You have to rewash yourself in water through that water ritual. To reject is a symbolic rejection. Onye Ọdịnanị ọbụla na-arụ Ọrụ Mmiri is symbolically rejecting, as far as you are doing that water initiation in the name of your ancestors, in the name of your in the name of your spirit forces that came to this earth with you, then you are reinitiating yourself into their one family. You are no longer passing through that water ritual in the name of Jesus Christ. In baptism, you were baptized in the name of Jesus Christ. Whether they call it Father, Son, and Holy Ghost or Holy Spirit, you were baptized with a formula that belonged to another kingdom. But in Ọrụ Mmiri, in this traditional, our Igbo water ritual, it is done in the name of your ancestors. So, I brought a Kablu church before. Mana, it just jump about Ọdịnanị. Maybe DBA Balafana BM or whatever. Which again, when you have nothing to do with Ọrụ Mmiri. You don't need it. Remember, you are still enslaved to that other religion. You are not yet fully back to your ancestral kingdom. That's number one. Then he has a wearable. Water work helps to cleanse you of errors. It helps to cleanse you of past errors. Without this cleansing you of past errors, you will find it difficult to be at peace with the current kingdom where you are. Like I said in the beginning, I have not been initiated into many spiritual kingdoms. The only spiritual kingdom that I have experienced is Christianity, and then Ọdịnanị and Ọdịnanị Igbo. Manuchem na agbam that if you want to belong to any powerful spiritual kingdom, if you want to belong to any powerful spiritual occult, occult, not blood spirit, if you want to belong to any powerful circle, whether my body occult, our body whatever, our body fraternity, Ushem na agbam that now one of the things that you need, that one of the ritual you need to pass through to become a full-fledged member of that kingdom, Bogene, water must be involved. I remember sometime 2 years ago, ogen na mo biri mo for Ogubai. Melmunji were black ajo for Ogubai. One of the spiritual experiences in Merudan, Bona, I was made to pass through water. I was made to pass through water initiation to become, because to become Akajofa of such a village deity, you know, a village deity that have, it's just like a kingdom. But Anna, for example, now, it is not only Ogu. Only one does on your near Nogas. Ndem madoma. Mana in Wopalum dem madona maho. At least we go through about 14 or 15 different deities. Now that shrine, identified by man. Mana can Wopalum many more. You understand? So you find out that it is actually a kingdom. It's a kingdom. It's a kingdom on its own. And so, you as Akajiofo, you are now like to become the pilota of that kingdom. You can't be a pilota of the kingdom without being a member of that kingdom. That is why one of the dreams I had, 7 days in Namubi Chalamo for that I had a dream. In that dream, I was taken to water, the water of that kingdom of Ogugu. I was taken to the water and I bathed in the water. They bathed me in the water, and then after the bathing, I was now asked to enter the shrine, the main shrine of Ogugu. And then I now entered there and I sat down, no chair no there. Was born mbataro there, Nolana. Other castle now banyelu switch light. Everywhere was lighted up, different colors of light. Different. I don't sure know what the color, man or what that I didn't see in that shrine in the dream. Light, green light, yellow light, blue light, calafia, violet light, white light. Name all the colors. When the shrine the main after Kangachalo through the water initiation, in real life, I wire hawk no there. But in that dream, after Kangasi through that water initiation in that dream, where batazie na the shrine, where Bluzioche were not done, everywhere was lighted up. Very bright, dazzling. If you want to become a full-fledged member of any kingdom, you must pass through water initiation into that kingdom. Without that, you are still a stranger to that kingdom. In our water. So stop asking questions. Am I a water child? Why will I go for water appeasement? Another reason why you need water appeasement is that water appeasement helps you to pay your dues to the water kingdom. To the water. Water itself is a kingdom on itself, on its own. Performing water rituals helps you to pay your dues. Ọrụ Mmiri. Man, as far as Ọrụ Mmiri, Ọrụ Mmiri ụgwọ. Ọrụ mmụọ nwe mmiri ụgwọ. Maka gịnị ị na-aṅụ mmiri? Ọrụ mmiri awụ ahụ. Ọrụ mmiri esi nri na-eri. More than 70% of your body composition is water. Minus water from your existence, so the services that water renders you, you pay for it. Remember what I have always said, that na one thing na don seke, nando mado bu wages. And some people will be asking, kedu kansi wage de do kedu onye nji ụgwọ? And I keep telling you that every element in this world that serves you, you are indebted to them. If lana anwe na azokwu, if lana anwa bu mo no ni lolo ana anwa bu na echoro isi ebe anwa je Lagos, echoro isi ebe anwa je Abuja, echoro isi n'ụzọ ka ya agbagide na ana. n'ụzọ ka ị agbagido wee ruo ebe ị na-aga. The road paths, the houses you live on. No human being is bird that lives in the air. You live on land. The land carries you. When you pay for that service, it is one of the debts. It's part of the debt that you are owing. Nya bobo na ewu mmadụ nọ n'ụwa nwa afọ Igbo iwe na-eche ntụ dibịa agbalụ gị afa wee sị gị jee nye na be nna gị nne gaa chukwa na be nna gị tupu ị maa na ị ga-eme ya ife ị na-eme dọrọ gị anya. Because it is through ana be nna gị ka ị eju eme point of contact to ana niile na-asa avụ gị. Ana na-asa avụ gị ma na abụọ ma na of course ịchọ isi ebe a kịta anụ ma je Lagos ị agbagidokwa na ana mmadụ wee ruo onye ọla even Lagos na onwe ya abụkwụla ana be nna gị. Mana ebe ị ga ebe the altar ebe ị ga-esi wee mee point of contact to appease all the ana that serves you bụ gịnị? Be nna gị. Because that is your point of origin. Be nna gị. Aja anyị na-achụnyela ana be nna gị does not belong only to be nna gị. It does not belong only to ana be nna gị. Ọ bụrụ na ịchụnye that aja, it will now spread. Ana niile that have ever served you, that will still serve you, that are currently serving you, will benefit from that aja na-achụ na aja ana be nna gị. It is through that aja that you pay your dues for the ana that serves you. In our na-ekwu, it is true that because a man say ana niile gbalụ wee si ebe a wee je Lagos ka ị ga appease wefa one by one. No. You make use of ana be nna gị as point of contact. When you appease ana be nna gị, ana ọbụla ba ana savụrụ gị na ana oke n'isi gị will come and take their share there. So nwanne ị nidiri ịgụlụgụlụ golo ọkụkọ ma ọ bụ golo ewu golo ọjị golo nkwụ gaa n'okwu ana be nna gị gaa chụnyela aja na aja ana. Don't wait until na dibịa agba n'afa gwa gị ọnya bụ ife ahụ mgbara ọnụ. Ị bụrụ mmadụ mmanya na mmụọ nya ọgụgụ isi ozuru oke. You don't need dibịa ịgbalụ gị afa tupu ị mara ife ị kwesịrị ime n'ọdịnala Igbo. Ọnya mere m ji agwa ọnụ reduzuo aka n'oke dibịa gbalụ m afa dibịa na-elere m ife dibịa chekiere m ife ịmara ife. You don't need dibịa ịgbalụ gị afa tupu ị mara ihe ị kwesịrị ime. It is because people don't think, people don't reason, people don't want to make use of their thinking faculty. That is the reason every time ha nọ na be dibịa gbaa afa dibịa na n'ife dibịa cheki ife. Ịmara ife, you don't need all these afa. You won't be needing them. Tupu ị mara ihe ị kwesịrị ime. So I am telling you that every element in this world that serves you, you pay for them. Ikuku ị na-eku, ume ị na-eku, you pay for it. Where does the air emanate from? The air rises from water. Did you know that aja na-aga achụ na mmiri, it is also a part of payment to ikuku ị na-eku, ume ị na-eku? Oh, ị na-eche ntụ dibịa agbara gị afa sị ngwa jee chụnyere ikuku aja jee kwụ ụgwọ ume ị na-eku tupu ị mara na ị ga. See, think, make use of your head, brain, think, reason. It's still much legal to think. Air rises from water. Just like anyanwụ is the opposite of aja ana. Ichinye anyanwụ oke nye na aja ana. Ichinye ikuku oke gaa na mmiri gaa nye. The air you breathe, you pay for it. Mmiri na aṅụ that sustains you, you pay for it. And how do you pay? site n'ịchụ aja na mmiri. Water rituals. So ọ bụ na ị na-eche ntị dibịa agbalụ gị afa sị jee chụọ aja na mmiri tupu ị maa na ị kwesịrị ịga. Ụfọdụ ndị ka ọ ya wasịfa jee chụọ aja na mmiri, onye a na-complain but achụrụ m aja na mmiri last month, last 2 months, last 3 months, last year. Ịmara ife ịmalụ na aja ị ga na-achụ na mmiri kwesịrị ịbụ even every day. Because among all the elements, water serve you more. So, and I say it's not just about ndot. It's not just only about it's not. Don't let your mind not be going always to all those entities, all those beings. Number one, that service mmiri na-erenda gị. Ọkwa na mmiri ngụọ gị je were mmiri ṅụọ. O nwere ike maybe mmiri were ṅụọ, o nwere ike ebe dị mmiri si ọ bụrụ obodo ọzọ. Mana otu ị ga-esi wee kwụ ụgwọ dat mmiri ahụ. Mmiri ọbụla ị ṅụrụ n'ụwa nwere source. Mmiri ọbụla ị ṅụrụ o nwere source. As far as all no H2O, normal water, o nwere source. Also onye ahụ na source ya bụ na ana Yoruba. Also onye ahụ na source ya bụ n'ugwu Hausa. Iwe na ana Igbo anụ a wee ṅụọ ya. Nwanne mmiri ahụ esi na ya wee gbata dat mmiri ahụ e ṅụrụ ijidego ya ụgwọ. Oh, you don't know. O nwere ike ị nọ na be nna gị na Oraifite. Ijejegolu bottle water alụrụ na Kano n'ugwu Hausa. Igoro bottle water balance ya na aṅụrụ onwe gị mmiri. Nwanne, you go pay for am. Mmiri ọbụla that serves you, you pay for it. Na ị ga-ejizi maka na mmiri ahụ e ṅụrụ n'ugwu Hausa ka esi wee gbatị ya iwe nwe ihe ejizi maka ewee si oke ka ị gaa n'ugwu Hausa je chụọ dị aja. No, ebe ị ga-achụ dị aja bụ gịnị? Na mmiri ọbụla nọ gị nso. You make it use of it as point of contact. Aida na mmiri be nna gị, otu isi wee were aja na be nna gị as point of contact ana niile na-asa ahụ gị n'ụwa. Otu ọkwasị esi wee were mmiri be nna gị ma ọ bụ gawa n'ikwu nne gị ma ọ bụ were mmiri ọbụla nọ gị nso wee were ya mere point of contact to mmiri niile na-asa ahụ gị. Ị gachụọ aja. Ị na-aghọta? Maka a na-agwa ndị mmadụ chụwa aja, they don't understand the reason. Everything that serves you on earth, you pay for it. The earth that is not only that the earth na aja na serve gas road transport. The aja also feed you. Nwanne nni ọbụla iriri nwere ana ebe esi wee weta dị nni. And iji ana ahụ ụgwọ. Ka nna akọwalụ gị ka ị na-aghọta. Nni ọbụla iriri, ke nni iriri today. Maybe iriri akpụ. Iriri garị. Garị, right? O nwere ka ọ bụrụ garị akpụ akọrọ na somewhere in the north. Nọrọ ebe ahụ bụọ ya process ya wee kwụọ ya asị garị wee shift down here. I wee gaa na Oraifite wee mara ya. Wee bata na be gị si mmiri ọkụ mee garị sie ọmarịcha ofe wee rie ya. Nwanne, for that garị, ana ahụ mepụtara that garị, it indebted to that ana. One thing that people don't know, if ụgwọ na mmụọ ụgwọ, debt, you can never avoid it. You can never avoid it. That is reason o ji wee bụ na ikpesa ịdị na-achụ aja na-achụpado steady na-achụ aja. Ka ị na-achụ aja ya enyere we aka to generate spiritual currency. Spiritual currency iji akwụ ụgwọ niile iji na mmụọ. Ka na-achụ aja, you'll be generating currencies. Ego, you can generate spiritual money. And those money will be storing in your spiritual bank, which your she is in charge of. And your she will, from that bank, be withdrawing money and be offsetting all those your bills. O nwere nlọ n'abalị. O nwere nlọ n'abalị. Mgbe fọ abịa mpụta n'ebe a na-alụ ụzọ. Yes, o nwere some guys mfụrụ na-edozi ụzọ. A na-edozi ụzọ, ọ dịka culvert ka a na-alụ nya bụ ife ka ogene. So mbịa ngafete ebe ahụ. Say 5 years that you guys are doing well. Mmanya aka na banana wolu, I think 500 naira. Kambia wolu nyefa na nla ahụ. To encourage them. Nyefe ya fangoli ya na-ekene m. Ngaferukwa na-aga ebe m na-aga. Na nla. Efule ego ahụ nyelufa. Number 1 bụ na onye ahụ m fụrụ asị onwe m na nla ahụ bụ chi m. Number 2 bụ na that ego ahụ nyelufa bụ Chimusi na bank m, spiritual bank m, wee were that 500 naira wee nyefa. Ọ Chimumazi aja ga dị equivalent to that 500 naira nyelufa. And it is part of the payment. Part of the payment. O nwere ndị ọwụ na banki chifa dị empty. If they were in this situation, on flow na 1 naira, they no go fit come off from their akpa in those workers because they got the law. And the reason why we do to have na father achụ aja. Fa na-eche until na ha eje ka dibia gbala fa gbafa aja fa ya achụ tupu fa achụ. Therefore, they don't ever do aja. Igbo sịrị na akụ nwata aka hụ na mmụọ. Let me tell you, if you banki chigi, yeah, ego eju, you hardly see money in the physical life. Akogi aka ọ na-akpa chigi na banki chigi na mmụọ, ọma mpụta ife na mmadụ. Mmụọ bụ ezi nwa na-agba gị. Tupu ego a na-abịakwute gị na mmadụ, before ego erute gị aka na mmadụ, ego ahụ ga-ebu ụzọ rute gị aka na mmụọ, pụtara gị ife na mmụọ. Ị ga-efu ubu ụzọ build ya na mmụọ before wepụtazi ife na mmadụ. Ọ na-emezi na mmadụ ọ dịka magic. Ebe ọ na-itile aka ego. Igbo onye anụnwanya ife ego apụta. Bụ na onye ekwuo business ya nyewe ego apụta. Ego na onye ekwuo ego a na-eflow. Nwanne o si na mmụọ, akụ si na mmụọ. And ịchọ ka akụ karịa na mmụọ, ị ga-abụ somebody na-achụ aja. Na-achụ aja so that as your chi is withdrawing to be settling all these debts, the money will be replacing. Ka a na-ewepụ ya ka a na-replace. Ị ma that 500 naira m wepụrụ na nlọ n'abalị. Etetara m ụla n'ụtụtụ a. Achụgokwa m aja to replace it. Trust ezi nwa na. Ịlọkwa nlọ ka ị nyere ego is not bad dream. It is actually you paying your spiritual debt. Mana ka nlọ, o nwere nkuzi nyere ọnụ sometime, or was it last year? Mgbara gị that na every time ọ bụla ị lọrọ nlọ ka ị nyere ego, kabalụ iteta na that nlọ ahụ, kabalụ before that day end, kabalụ chụọ aja to replace that money iwepụ, because ego ahụ iwepụrụ na nlọ wee energy generate through aja ịchọrọ. It is a minus. You have to add it. You have to. You need the aja to generate even more than ihe iwepụrụ. That is the act of a wise man. So ihe na-agba gị bụ na aja na-achọ na mmiri is part of paying your dues. Wage na mmiri. The water that sustains your life. You pay for it. You pay for everything. And the not paying these debts, they are enough to frustrate your life. Ị nwere ike ịdọnya bụ ndụ ahụ, mana ndụ osisi akpụ, ife ndebe ya na-akpọ na mmadụ dị ndụ osisi akpụ, ọ ife ị ga-adọ. in our so with these few points, iji izi aka ga Georgia, we need a little Ọrụ Mmiri ma ọ bụ na ị need we need Ọdịnanị mmiri chụ aja ma ọ bụ na ị need ji izi aka ụgbọ result ọ bụrụ na ịbụ sọ if you are an ordinary person, ị na-claim na ịbụ onye ọdịnala mana elubeghị Ọrụ Mmiri, ezi nwa will never take you serious. I will never take you. You do Ọdịnanị. How can you be claiming Ọdịnanị whereas you are still a slave to another kingdom? You are not an ordinary person. Prove it. You have not passed through water initiation to return to the kingdom where you should be. You are still enslaved to that other kingdom. You have not yet renounced that kingdom. I have to stop here. Onye afọ taa sị fụkwa ya echi. Ezi nwa ka ọnụ na-afụ. Cheta na eve nkwa anyị na-emesara aka ndị mmiri na obi anyị maka ndị nwere mmasị isonye. Maka ndị cheta na aja a na-achụ na mmiri dị ụbara. Aja a na-achụ na mmiri erike ọ bụrụkwa mgbe a chụrụ aja kpụrụ ewu kpụrụ ọkụkọ mee nke a bụ na mana ọ na-adị mma. For example, in the Christendom, a priest in the Christendom performed the water baptism on you, the water initiation that transported you from the kingdom of your ancestors to their own kingdom. A priest officiated it. So it is in Ọdịnanị. A dibia or priest should officiate water ritual for you at least once. In fact, only once, not even at least once. Once is enough. In our water. And the ones that dibia or priest do that Ọrụ Mmiri for you, there is no more need for you to pay another dibia to repeat the same Ọrụ Mmiri. Do you understand? No matter how your water baptism in church was done, it can never be repeated. In the church, like in the Catholic Church, no matter how, also when you want to make the water baptism, no when mistake, maybe never say you candle man, maybe no matter how it is done. Also when you want na father made the officiate the baptism now or much well, no matter how it is done, that water baptism can never be repeated by the priest. Otu anu akode na nke Ọdịnanị. Dibia only have to do water appeasement for you just once. So football. Maka ọnụ bụ ndị ya bụ ije dibia nke ọgbara ga afa sị gị na ya lụrụ gị Ọrụ Mmiri, iwele ego nye ojelu ọrụ gị Ọrụ Mmiri, ịpụtakwa echi ijekwa dibia ọzọkwa ọsịkwa na ya alụkwa Ọrụ Mmiri. Isi ama na dibia nke ọzọ alụgoru ọ sị gị na dibia na ọlọtaghị ịgụkwa ezo ego ọzọ nyekwu ya ojekwarụ gị anọdụ Ọrụ Mmiri. You are committing error. Ị na-aghọta ife m na-ekwu, ị na-akọmiti tautology error. You are not supposed to. Once ọ bụ na that first dibia alụgoru gị data Ọrụ Mmiri, ọsọ onye ahụ na ịgbara afa be dibia 100 ọzọ fancha niile na-asị gị na Ọrụ Mmiri ịlụrụ agaghị aga. You should not pay any other dibia for another work. If ọbụna ị ga na-emezi with ndị mmiri ga-abụzi direct from you to them, from you to them, from you to them, unless you just simply choose that you can't do it yourself. Na mmiri anọ gị nso ebe ị nọ, and n'inwe dibia na-alụrụ gị ọrụ ka inye ya ego. Like today, somebody paid me, the person ọlụgo Ọrụ Mmiri, dibia alụọ na-arụ ya Ọrụ Mmiri, mana o nyere m ego si m golu ewu jee kenere ya ndị mmiri mụ jee nye ndị mmiri ya n'afịa ngagharịa ya ọ sị m na ebe nya nọ na onwe ha mmiri nọ nso ndị na minwa ọ n'obodo oyibo so ọma nwe ike ije golo ewu ndị je na Abuja na mmiri. So I did it for him. That one is different. That one is entirely another thing. But as for that water initiation that you necessarily need, dibia only need to do it for you once. O mechara analogy ọsọ onye ahụ na-agba afa ebe ọzọ dibia na-asị gị na dibia nke na-elụrụ na ọlụta ha na ọ ka inyekwa ya ego ka o jekwa jee lụọ si ya na ọwa asị. Only once you need to pay dibia for Ọrụ Mmiri. Once you pay it and the dibia does it, as far as all know with dibia. As far as all know with dibia, and that dibia did go initiated, the dibia go through that same water distance, or will go on or go in the kingdom of his ancestors. And though well get that all, and that all is considered 100% successful. Irrespective of what you are seeing in your life. Na church, on a women ana mmadụ baptizim na ọba ọgaranya. On a women ana mmadụ baptizim no or the rich. Ego ezowe ka mmiri na boy. That is not the purpose of the baptism. The purpose of baptism is not to make you materially rich. Otu anu akọ dị Ọrụ Mmiri. The purpose of Ọrụ Mmiri is not to make you a billionaire. It's not to make you a overnight rich. Number one purpose of Ọrụ Mmiri is to transport you from the kingdom of slavery back to your ancestral kingdom. That is the number one purpose of Ọrụ Mmiri. Ana alụrụ gị. Anaghị alụrụ gị Ọrụ Mmiri ka ego wee ju gị aba. Anaghị alụrụ gị Ọrụ Mmiri ka i wee nụọ dị nketa nke echi. Ị na-aghọta ihe na-ekwu. Anaghị alụrụ gị Ọrụ Mmiri ka nsogbu niile nọ na ndụ wee gwụ. No. The purpose of Ọrụ Mmiri, the number one primary purpose of Ọrụ Mmiri is to transport you from the kingdom of slavery back to your ancestral spiritual family. And you become one with them. So, na-elụrụ Ọrụ Mmiri mana ịrụcha ya, ịfụlọ ka ego si n'elu na-adasịsịrị gị. Ibido ị na-asị na Ọrụ Mmiri alụrụ agara aga. Ma ọ na-arụsịrị gị Ọrụ Mmiri. You did not see the son of the richest man in the country coming to propose marriage for you and marrying you. It's an Ọrụ Mmiri alụrụ agara aga. That is not the purpose for the Ọrụ Mmiri. Ọrụ Mmiri have its own purpose. Ọrụ Mmiri is just you passing through the water channel as a portal to transport you from one kingdom to the other. That is just it. In water, it was no di. Ijemi fi yeme we anu adi. It has you omega as nwata nwa actually no di. It has you omega as nwata nwa dị marriageable. It has you omega as nwata nwa dị ready ịba be nwoke. Ọwụ na ego ka ị chọrọ. Ijemi fi ife a na-eme wele akpata ego. Gịnị ka a na-eme wele akpata ego? Whatever you have, you go and sell it and make money. Whatever product or service you have, go and sell it and make money. In water. So you don't Ọrụ Mmiri ka iwe boutique. I have to stop here. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso ala na aja saraka anyị na-eme na obi anyị kpamkpọ. Nwanne echi bụ Saturday. Echi bụ ewu ọkwa echi. Echi bụ Saturday bụ nkwọ tata bụ afọ. Yeah? So you chat me on WhatsApp if you want to be part of it. Ozi gị rute m aka about the saraka later before the end of today or early tomorrow morning. If you want to be part of the Saraka, you chat me on WhatsApp 08032477868. More baby Abiana Bem, you come with your gift. Actually, you are a Saraka. I can acquire more. Share this message, please. All the very, 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 very important. I am here. Ezingma is here to correct many anomalies, many misconceptions about certain things we do in or the other day agbalmono the pure work of dibia makande ya ba ego do famnya somebody eje na impulse so dibia aju na kere ihe choro o say I want to make money. You want to make money. What concerns making money and the emboss of Dibia? You want to make money and the place you choose to go is the emboss of Dibia or the chamber of Dibia. Emboss of Dibia, where ban make ego. My name is Omenanị Igbo. I come for the total restoration of Ọdịnanị and Omenanị Igbo. I can acquire more. Share the message.